Here's how you do cooking with Blake. So here's how you do. Here's how you cook burgers. So let's do it. So what you want to do is get your pan out. I'm gonna put it over to the other side. What you want to do is get your pan out. And once you get your pan out, you want to get your patty out. Put it on there. Then, when it's done, and put your patty in. And here's how you make the Blaik Scott. And here's how you make the Blaik Scott burger. Bye.